Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change your language in your vivo phone device. Guys, you want to change language in your vivo phone, so guys you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change language in our vivo phone. So you can see guys, everything is Hindi. Guys, you want in English, so guys, how can you change it Hindi to English in your vivo phone? In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. So now time to start video friends. First of all guys, open your phone setting guys. Then I scroll it. So friends, you can see your phone system setting, second last option. Tap here, guys click on Bhasha or input setting. Then guys first one Bhasha, tap here. So you can see guys we have English United States, and guys you don't have, so guys tap here, and guys you can add English language from here, English India. So guys already guys we have it, so guys we will change from here. So I wait here for minute, which you can see. So guys now you can see guys your language has changed in your view phone guys, everything is English. So like that guys you can change your phone language in your vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change the language in our vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with the topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.